And together we are the Craft Shed Quarters. What have you got there, Dimna?
Well, how gorgeous is she? So this is the Happy Chenille range. So you know these gorgeous little balls of the Happy Chenille from Sirdar?
Yeah.
This is one of their patterns and she's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, there's a load of chenille patterns. This was the book that I used and there was about 4 teddies in there.
Yeah.
And it also had a little picnic blanket and
Oh,
all the
yeah,
fruit and veg. You could bake cakes with it
brilliant.
and stuff.
Yeah, how cool
So
is that?
That she used about 2 balls of the cream and 2 balls of the pink and a bit of the brown she used.
Oh God, the patterns are really detailed, you know. There's loads in there.
It gives you the colour codes of what you need to buy as
All
well.
right, so you just
Look at the little size
oh,
of
look,
these.
picnic basket. How cool is that?
Just look at the little size of 15 grams.
Yeah.
And you don't really get any waste with them. No, like if you bought a big ball,
You'd end up with lots of ends. Yeah.
and bits and bats. So they're just perfect.
Yeah, it's really
these.
good that you get the list of what you need. The other thing is, like Lisa said, they're only 15 grams of these. They're $1.35 a ball. So, and you don't need that many of them really.
It's like 4 balls that little
Yeah.
one.
So
it's
4
quite big. I
balls.
went a bit big as well because I used
A bigger hook. Yeah. Yeah, so 4 or 5 balls of wool at $1.35 a ball to make this little lady.
So
Isn't that brilliant?
Teddies, we've got insects. Oops. We've got fruit and veg. What's that one?
Oh gosh, look at them dinosaurs.
Oh, dinosaurs.
Oh, they're cute.
Farm animals. I like this one.
Oh,
I think I might make that for my pal with a Roz with a.
yeah. How lovely is that?
It looks like her dog. Her
Yeah.
dachshund. So yeah, I quite enjoyed. I'm not really into Whammy, but I quite enjoyed making that for the shop.
You're very good at Amy. That's so. Isn't she cute? So this is the Sirdar chenille, so the 15-gram chenilles, and they're brilliant. But the other thing that they've brought out, which
It's
we've
the
now,
cottons as well.
yes. Let me just get a few of those for you.
So you get the cottons out.
Yeah.
So in the patterns and the cottons, we've got some candy shop. What else we got? We've got little people. They're cute. I like them ones. And budgies and parrots and flamingos, and then some other teddy bears and bits. I think there's more of them.
Oh, there's loads. I've got loads and loads of patterns. So these are the balls. So these ones are 20 grams and they're cotton. So loads and loads and loads of different colours.
They're really vibrant colours as well, aren't they?
They are. They're brilliant. I had a lady in yesterday who bought some for actually making a stripy jumper for a little girl, and it's going to look stunning with the bright, vibrant colours.
What's this?
Oh, I've just got that.
Where's that come from?
How fabulous are those?
It's double-sided.
There's
huge.
Loads. And there's 50 balls in there.
Wow.
So
It's so heavy.
it is. So
50 grams of happy colours. Lovely.
Yeah.
That is
so
special.
Yeah, so 50 of them. Yeah, it's fabulous. So that's the cotton one, and there's a chenille one as well.
Oh,
so
nice.
yeah, and again that's got the both sides. So there's 25 balls in here.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, 25 or 15 grams. That is nice.
Yeah.
I like those.
They are brilliant. Go on then. It was your birthday last week.
All right then.
Yeah. So yeah, these are brilliant. They're brilliant if you love making I can't say the word.
Amigurumi, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, we just call it Ami.
Yeah, if you love making Ami, these are brilliant. I know my daughter's got her eye on the dinosaurs, so once she's got through her A levels, she's going to be making dinosaurs over the summer.
That's quite a good dinosaur colour,
Yeah.
no, it was good fun. It was. It's working in the round. There is a lot of counting in Ami, a lot of pattern reading in it. It's not really a watch the telly type of project.
Yeah, but how amazing is it to be able to make something like this
3D out of a ball of wool?
Yeah, and it not to use many, and with them being such small and inexpensive, it's brilliant.
So what, the $1.35 a ball?
Yes,
no wastage. We've got the lovely patterns. We've got these amazing kits if you really get into it as well.
Yeah,
yeah, I
so
enjoyed
this
it.
is the
So this is your new
Sirdar Happy range. Yes,
right, all available in Dimna's shop.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.